What's up guys, it's Soin here from the Tech Infos, back with another video. So today guys, I'm going to showcase you a product from the company Noise. Now this is a product I am personally really excited about because I have never tested a product from this company Noise, and I've also heard a lot of good things about this company, so that's the reason I'm actually really excited. Now this is a smart fitness watch, not a smart watch guys, and the model number is Colorfit Pro 2. Yeah, like anyways guys, ignoring the name and the background फुलझारू वाला, like पता नहीं यार, जब भी वीडियो बनाते तब भी कोई ना कोई आ ही जाता है background में. Like I don't really understand this. Anyways, once again, let's ignore this. So as I mentioned guys, I'm really excited about this product, and in fact I'm so excited that I've already started using this product, and this product is available in Amazon for around 3,299 during the lightning deal guys. Anyways guys, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna share my raw experience after using this product for 2 to 3 days in the later section of the video. But before anything, let's go ahead to the unboxing table and showcase you what you get inside the product, and also tell you about the general specifications of this product guys. So let's get started. Okay guys, coming to the unboxing, all you get inside the box is the watch itself, a magnetic charging cable, and finally some documentations. Yep, that's pretty much it you get inside the box. Anyways guys, if in case you're planning to purchase this watch, do note that you need to get this watch registered under the warranty section in the Noise's website. So I'll provide direct links for the same guys, so that you can get yourself registered and claim warranty if in case something goes wrong. Now talking about some of the important specifications guys, it comes with a full touch display, unlike many companies providing us with a ginormous display but ended up providing us with a single button with which we can literally interact with the display. But in this case guys, it's a completely touch display, so that's a good thing. Now it's extremely light as it is made up of polycarbonate, which is not a good thing, but in my case, for the price that we are paying for this watch, it's good enough guys. A polycarbonate shell is good enough, but the screen is made up of glass, so that's a good thing. There's a premium touch to that. Anyways, other than that, you get different colors to choose from, and it's a standard 20mm strap, so you can literally go around to the internet and surf for any customized watch strap you want. And as I mentioned, it's available in different colors, so you have the option to choose from different colors. And also guys, the company claims the battery life to be 10 days, but I personally don't think that it will last for so long, because I have been using this for 2 to 3 days, and from my stats that I've been getting, I don't think that it will last for 10 days. It can last 10 days if I am keeping everything off, like notification, continuous heart rate tracking and stuff like that. And coming to the continuous heart rate tracking, it can track 24/7 at 5 minutes interval your heart rate, so that's a good thing guys. And another good thing is that guys, it has menstruation cycle tracking, which is something I really appreciate, and I believe more companies should add this feature in their smart fitness watches, because in today's time it is something that is important guys. And today also men and women both are wearing smart bands or smart watches, so why not give a woman the features that they need as well. And I really appreciate Noise providing us with this feature, especially in this price category guys. So thanks Noise for providing that. Anyways, other than that guys, overall the watch is good. It comes with different sports mode, I believe 9 sports mode, and other than that you get notifications, you can control your music, you can take pictures I believe. And also, did I forget to mention that this is IP68 certified, so yeah, class leading water and dust resistant. Anyways guys, as I mentioned that I have been using this product for around 2 to 3 days now, and overall my experience has been good. Now one thing, if in case you're someone who is getting into the game of smart fitness bands or fitness watch, fitness smartwatch, whatever it might be, you need to keep one thing in mind. Consistency is more important than accuracy guys. Yes guys, let's be honest, not even a single watch is absolutely accurate, guys. There are some false positives, there will be some false positives here and there. So the consistency of the data over a prolonged period of time matters more. You will get a rough idea of how much false positives are there, and you will be able to deduct a certain amount from there, right? So I know like many of you guys won't understand this, but if in case you're someone who is using smartwatch, you already know what I'm talking about. Anyways guys, as I mentioned, my experience with this watch so far has been really good, and I personally really like that it has many custom faces, like watch faces, especially coming from this watch, because it had just 3 custom faces. I couldn't even change them, so it got a bit monotonous for me. But in this case guys, I get 40 plus custom watch faces in the companion app, and also guys I can set custom wallpapers, so that's something really cool and interesting. I know it's a small thing, but for me it was really exciting. And overall guys, in this span of 2 to 3 days, the tracking has been consistent. And guys, once I use this product for a prolonged period, I'll update the stats in the comment section down below. So if in case you're watching this video after a long time since I have published this video, so do go ahead in the comment section, maybe I have uploaded or stated something that has not been mentioned in the video. Anyways guys, overall, as I said, it has been performing well. And one thing guys is that I observed on using this watch for 2 to 3 days is guys, there is certain minor UI lags. I don't know why. Like if I scroll horizontally, it works absolutely fine, it's butter smooth, but if I have to move vertically, there's some issues, like there's some minor bugs, like lags here and there. I don't know why, but I believe that this is something that could be fixed over an OTA update, so hopeful that Noise will provide us with the update. Anyways, the biggest question now is it worth purchasing? Now this is gonna be a bit complicated, but before, let's make it a bit simple for the ones who just wants a smartwatch. Now, as I mentioned, if in case you're someone who is just wanting a good smartwatch under 3,500 rupees, just go ahead with this, because it has a good display, it has a magnetic charging solution, which I believe is something really good and all the watches should have. It has a good colorful display, it's totally touch, not like a single button. The battery life is good, the overall consistency of the data is good, so overall a well balanced watch. Now if in case your budget is not as high as 3,500 rupees, but you are still willing to have something in your hand which can track your fitness, and you can at least see the time and stuff like that, some notifications here and there, and continuous tracking stuff like that, go ahead with the Mi Bands. And if you have a bit more money in your hands and you can go up till 4,000 rupees, then go for the Realme Band. And if you have even more money laying around, then just go with Amazfit. Don't go for this watches GPS edition, nav edition. Just simply go with the Amazfit one. It is really good for that price. Like under 5,000 rupees, if I have to suggest a watch, it's from Amazfit, hands down.
So to end this, which one should you buy and why? Well, overall, BIPS has better battery life, workout detection, software, third-party app. It's just a no-brainer. If you aren't into outdoor GPS based workouts like outdoor cycling, running, you can even get the BIPS Lite with a cheaper price tag.
So the conclusion is guys, that if in case you want a balanced smartwatch and your budget is 3,500, yes, simply go ahead with this watch, you won't regret a bit. But if in case you are having a bit more money or a bit less money, I gave you the options, and if you have a lot more money like 5,000 rupees, then just simply go with Amazfit. That's it for this video guys. If in case you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. It's Owen from the Tech Info signing off guys. Have a nice day. Peace.